Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change text color from black to blue in MS Word permanently. This is simple and very easy. You just need to click on the Home tab and under the Font section you will see an arrow. You can also press Ctrl D. Click on that and after that you will see there is a font here. Click on that and here you need to click on the blue color, and after that you will see that in the previous section the color has been changed from black to blue. Go ahead and click on set as default, and here are two options. You will see that if you want to apply this change to the this document, only click on this, and if you want to apply on the all documents based on the normal templates, click on that. So you need to click on this and click OK. Now close the Word, and I'm not saving this one. So let's open the Word now. So now type anything. So here you can see that the color has been changed from black to blue. So if you want to go back to the default font, again you have to click on the Home tab, go to the this arrow, and here select the automatic color and set as default, and click on the all document based on the normal templates. Click on that and here you can see that you have been reverted to the black. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can apply this change. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.